Alright guys, so as promised, here is your video on how to do ANOVAs. So I have a data set in here that looks at attractiveness and with face type and alcohol as your independent variables here. So the data is already in. You go to ANOVA, click ANOVA. It's really simple. This is a 2x3 design. So we have a two-way ANOVA here with face type and alcohol. So we're going to put attractiveness, because that's what we're measuring, into our dependent variable, with face type and alcohol into our fixed factors. Those are our independent variables. It's going to give you this ANOVA table here, which you have your sum of squares for each main effect of face type, the main effect of alcohol, the interaction effect between face type and alcohol. Your mean squared deviations are here, your F value is here, and this is where it tells you if it's significant or not. So you can see all three of these things are significant. Face type and the interaction is a little more. Let's see, you can also come down, hit descriptive statistics. It'll give you your N for each group. And if you click estimate of the effect size, this will give you your eta squared. So here's your eta squared. In JASP, it doesn't give you a total eta squared the way SPSS does. In SPSS, it would give you your model eta squared. For JASP, you're going to have to add up these values to get your total model. It only gives you the eta squared for each individual main effect and for the interaction effects. Here where it says residuals, this is your error. So this is your within groups. So these are all between your groups. And you have your main effective face type, your main effective alcohol, and your between group for your interaction. And this is your within. So your residuals are your error variance. So wherever it says residuals, this is your within variance, and this is your error rate. And it's that simple, really. If you want to come down, if you're going to look at descriptive plots, so you want to see what direction these kind of go in, you can come down here, and this will graph this out for you. It'll plot it out, and it'll give you your little code over here. So you have alcohol here, and then face type, alcohol and face type for 0 and 1, alcohol for 0, 1, and 2, and then your attractiveness ratings here. So, so here for your attractiveness, when you have no alcohol for 1 alcoholic drink, for 2 alcoholic drinks, and your attractiveness for faces that I think this data set says put a bag over or ask for their number for face type 0 and 1. So gotta love JASP for their funny little examples here. And that you can just see the direction a little clearer with this without trying to find it from your deviations and your means. That's it. That's really all you need for this week.